Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're installing an outdoor security camera. We're going to be installing the Ring Spotlight Cam wired. Inside the box we found the camera and some installation supplies. It came with a screwdriver, mounting plate, screws, security sticker, and installation manual. All we need to get started is the Ring app. In the app, we selected our device to install, the location, and the first step is to plug it in. We headed to my backyard porch and I plugged in the camera. After it was plugged in, the light turned on and I followed the prompts to set up the camera. After it connected to my Wi-Fi, I was able to see the camera picture on my phone. We determined the location that we wanted the camera, then I marked holes for the mounting plate. I drilled pilot holes, then screwed in the mounting plate. The camera slips right on the mounting plate and there's a little security screw that you can attach to make sure the camera stays in place. For the cable, I was able to run it alongside the door frame. Then I wrapped up the remaining wire and I attached one cable clip to keep it secure to the wall. Here's a final look at the cable management for the camera. Now we installed this on my porch, but this camera is designed for the outdoors so it can be used outside in the elements as well. We installed this a few weeks ago, which has given me a lot of time to get to know the Ring app. When you first open up the app, it gives you a whole history of motion that was detected by the camera. It records the motion and saves the files for your reference at any time. This feature is part of the paid Ring Protect plan, which you get a trial of for 30 days. I can select any of these events and it will play me the clip from the motion it detected. I can also save these clips really easily and use those files however I like. I'm using the iPhone app here, but this also works on Android and works on Mac and Windows 10. Within the app, you can turn on the light to the camera, which gives you a nice bright light that you have control over the brightness of. It also has a 110 decibel siren alarm, which I'm not going to play because it's really loud. And then you can also go live, which is showing you a live look at my backyard. Notice any of our older projects? Let us know in the comments below. You can also give friends and family access to your camera through the app. So far, I've given Mom access to my camera so she can also keep an eye on my house. The last step, I put the Protected by Ring sticker on my window.
We had a lot of debate about where to put this camera. Steph wanted to put it outside, and I thought the best location would be right here on the porch.
Well, we tried it in different locations and yes, Mom was right. It worked perfect on the porch. I can actually see my whole backyard. I can see all the angles, so if anyone's back here, I can see.
This is the wired version, but there are a lot of versions of this camera available.
Yeah, so this is called the Ring Spotlight camera, and it comes in the wired version, which we have, a mounted version, a battery powered version, and a solar version. They also have a floodlight version, which has even more light on it. So lots of different options for your house.
We want to thank the Home Depot. This year we are working with them in their Smart Home campaign, and this is just one of many smart home products that we're going to be sharing this year.
And if you like this project and want to see more from us, be sure to visit us at mother-daughterprojects.com. And subscribe right here on YouTube, click the bell, and you'll be alerted to all our new projects. I got all the words in, not in the order, but the words are in, and I am proud.
Was it natural? It just felt so natural. It just felt like a flow.